Look at that.
Our brisket is ready to flip over. Y'all can come down here because I'm going to need your help.
Ready to help you.
Yes, I'm going to need your help on those onions.
All right.
I need 3 Vidalia onions.
I am your woman.
Get to chopping it.
And I'll stand here and continue to eat this fabulous soup.
Sounds great.
Vidalia, Georgia is probably about an hour and a half down the road. And there's something about the soil in that county that grows the most incredible sweet onions. And if you would slice them fairly thin, ladies.
Okay, so we're cutting these into little petals over here.
Yes.
Great.
All right, girls, this pan's good and hot.
Okay,
so
onion time.
Put them in there. And we're gonna need a couple of tablespoons of fresh rosemary chopped up. And Zoe, jump into those Brussels sprouts. I've already got a bunch that I started for you.
Okay.
So we'll have those ready to go into our oven.
So I've got my sprouts
just toss
chopped.
those real good.
Okay.
I'm just gonna sweat out those onions.
Little olive oil, little salt and pepper.
With your hands, just scoop them up and
Get
toss
them
them.
good.
All right, so I think our onions have sweated down enough.
Oh, great. So we can add the wine and tomatoes.
2 cups of wine, and we'll just eyeball it.
Great.
And we'll dump in our diced tomatoes, and that's 1 28-ounce can.
Anything that tells me to add a half bottle of wine, I like, because you know what? I know exactly where the other half bottle of wine is going. What can I do with these?
Okay, doll baby, put those in the oven over there.
Okay.
And it's set at 450.
Okay.
For about 15 to 18 minutes. I'm gonna drop a couple of bay leaves in. Emma, if you'd pass me the salt and pepper.
Absolutely.
And then our rosemary.
So how much of this rosemary do you want?
We're gonna need a couple of tablespoons of fresh rosemary chopped up.
All right, so here we go.
So we're just gonna
grab a towel.
Put our meat back on top of our onions. We're gonna put the lid on it. And in the oven it goes. 325 for 3 hours. Brisket has to cook a little bit.
All right.
So get it in the oven.
Off it goes.
And the Brussels sprouts are in what we have just cooked a few minutes ago, which is our beef brisket with sweet onions, our Brussels sprouts. So now we're gonna just tighten up that gravy. So let's put a couple of tablespoons of flour into our bowl. And then we're gonna take some of our juice and just make a slurry. And then I'm gonna just bring out some of this liquid.
So this is like making a roux after you make the sauce.
Yeah.
That's amazing. I've never done it this way.
Yep, and while we're doing this, Emma is zesting some lemons for us to serve over our Brussels sprouts.
Okay. And these are some really beautiful lemons.
Aren't they beautiful in color?
You get really good produce down here.
Yes, we do. A lot of wonderful vegetables. I think I gave you enough liquid, didn't I?
That looks good, yeah.
Good.
Oh, this smells so delicious.
Doesn't it smell good?
Oh, I can't wait to try it.
All right, so in it goes, just pour it in there.
Oh, this smells so good.
Doesn't it smell good? I hope y'all like this half as much as I loved your cabbage soup.
Oh, I'm sure we will. My grandmother used to make brisket with jewel, yams, and prunes. She loved sweet and savory foods. Ooh, that looks great.
And if you would start slicing our brisket, please. All right, whose serving is this?
That's my serving. That's how she stays so thin.
That's why she looks like that and I look like this.